My name is Julie Gauthier. I'm a software engineer by trade, but a teacher at heart. I'm the lead instructor of advanced technologies here at MakerspaceCT. We're a community organization that provides educational programs to high schoolers and young adults in technology, including programming and coding, in 3D modeling, in additive manufacturing, and in fabrication. I'm excited about the Infy Makers Awards because while I do have a master's degree in computer science, I don't have formal training as a teacher, so I'm really excited about the potential for this program to offer me development in my skills to become a better teacher. This award would also enable MakerspaceCT to keep running one of my favorite programs here currently, Girls in Game Design, where I've been working with high school students to develop video games.
We're learning how to code right now. We're also learning programming languages like Python, along with how to make a good game, a story, characters, sharing a story through the game.
It means so much to me to be able to train young women in technology skills. And in order to keep developing them, we need to have programs like this. We're located in Hartford, Connecticut, which has a population of 36% African American and 45% Latinx. And so we're able to reach out to this demographic, and we're able to reach out to schools that are less than half a mile down the street and work with those students to develop this highly technical skill set. Thank you so much for considering our application to the Infy Makers Awards. I'm so excited.